Hello everyone, Mike Mixon from Keyboardamerica.com here in Lewis Beach, Delaware. Welcome to this Genos/Tyros video, and I'm going to show you how to load my custom user styles and banks that you get with the purchase of a book bundle. I'm also going to show you how to load the user style that I email out each week with the music for the song I'm doing, and of course depending upon which bundle you have. Now, I've had a lot of requests from all over the world from subscribers who just want my user styles and banks, and it's because they already own a lot of the books. So you can now purchase just my user styles and banks on my book bundle or video lessons page. Now, the last thing before we get started is I send out both the styles and banks when you purchase a book bundle. However, the banks are not loaded. Unless you purchased your Genos from us, our customers get all three bundles, and we completely load and set up your Genos, all the banks and everything, so you're ready to go. But the reason we don't do it for the book bundles is because you can customize your own banks depending upon which bundle or bundles you own. And it's very easy to do, and I'm going to show you that step by step too. So let's get started showing you how easy this is, and I'm also going to do next week's song to show you how easy it is to load my weekly style. Okay, so keep in mind now, I do have two great videos on my video lessons page on how to create your own registration banks and saving to OTS step by step. They're good videos to watch. Now, you will be getting the book bundle, styles and banks, and you're going to put that in your thumb drive. So you're going to put a blank USB into your computer and download all the styles onto your thumb drive and just take it here and put it in. Okay, so now when you go to style, your unit is going to be on preset. And let me zoom in so you can see this really, really good. Okay, so you're going to be on preset. Now, if you go to user, once your thumb drive is in, you're going to go to USB. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to hit File, Copy. You're going to hit Mike's Genos User Styles, copy again, go to your user, and you're going to copy here. Now, mine are already loaded, so I'm not going to do it again. Because that would just take forever for me to reload this. So that's that easy. You have to put the styles in before you do the banks. Now, if you exit out and you go up to your banks, it's going to be the same process. You can see my banks there. You're going to go to USB. You're going to hit File, Copy. You're going to push Mike's Genos registration banks, copy again, go to user, and you'll see it says registration bank, and you're just going to hit copy here, and all those banks are going to be there. Now, they will light up in blue, okay, but bottom line is you now have to put the styles in there depending upon which book bundle you have. So if I go out, I'm going to go into, let's go to number 1 here in 9. It's the Titanic theme. So you can look on my website and see which songs are in which banks on my video lessons page. But you're going to use the music that I give you to set up your banks. Now, if you're not a book bundle subscriber, that's okay, because when I do each video each week, I tell you what the style is and which intro and all that stuff, so you'll be able to do this process. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch my thumb drives to my Genos transfer stick. I usually use a transfer stick to do it. So I'm going to go put this in, and this is for each week's song. I email you the music and the style there. So I'm going to go back to style again. I'm on user. Here comes my USB up there. And I'm going to hit USB. And there's Superstition, which is next week's song. So I'm just going to touch Superstition, File, Copy, Copy again, go to User, and right in, open up Mike's Genos User Styles, copy here. Okay? Now, I'm going to zoom out to show you how easy this is, because like right in the video and right on the music, it tells you to do variation A. So if you put your OTS link on, number 1 is going to come up automatically. So the only thing you have to do now is choose Intro 2. Now, if you don't hit the OTS, you could always just hit Sync Start, Variation A, and Intro 2. You can do it either way. Now, all you do is press Memory and put it in whichever bank you want to put it in. So at this point, we'll go to Bank 9, and I want to put this in Bank 9, Song 10. So all I do is hit Memory and 10. And that's stored. That simple. I exit it out, and you can see there's Superstition. Because I changed the OTS settings, I was able to resave that style, which was Super Groove in the R&B section. Instead of saving it as Super Grooved, I saved it as Superstition, and you can watch my saving to OTS step by step to learn how to do that. So now that I've put that style in that quick, I'm ready to play Superstition. I'm not going to play the song for you just because it's this week's song coming up, and I have some great surprises for you in this video. But guys, that's how easy it is to load. Keep in mind that I also give you the Tyros 5 and 4 styles on there. So when you have my stick in that you get, the book bundle stick, it's also going to have the Tyros 4 and 5 styles on it, and you're going to load it right into your user the same way you loaded everything else. So you're going to see on that stick, and because you're taking my weekly lessons and you bought a book bundle or the styles, you really need all the Tyros 5 and Tyros 4 styles that are in there, because sometimes I'll use a Tyros 5 style for one of my songs, which is really nice that you can put these styles right in. So these will all be on your USB, and you go through the same process. You go to USB and the file, copy, and just load all the Tyros 4 and 5 styles in. Okay, so that was easy, right? I mean, it's a piece of cake. I email you the style each week, put it on your thumb drive, put it into your Genos, load it, put it in the registration memory that you want to put it in. And this is why we don't load the banks unless you purchase your Genos from us, because not everybody has all 3 bundles. You can customize your Genos or Tyros any way you want it, and you can even change the name Bank 1. You can go through all the styles that I email you and create a ballads registration bank or a big band bank. You can do anything that you want to do in a bank. As long as you name the bank something different than I have, your old bank is going to be there. So when you initially get all my styles, because you get all my styles regardless of which bundle you buy, I can't separate them. They're all in one file. So it's a great deal to get that. It's just after you purchase your bundle, you'll only get the weekly styles and music for whichever bundle or bundles you have. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it helped you out a lot. And I'm going to see you this week in just a couple days for Superstition.